gonna be 6-7 in 6-7 seconds. And everything is gonna be in 6-7 seconds because I love 6-7. 6-7. I hate 6-1, 6-9, 6 everything. I only love 6-7. And I'm gonna defeat this YouTube video in 6-7 seconds. And if you don't subscribe in 6-7 seconds, you are the slowest guy in 6-7 minutes. And the 6-7 minutes is gonna get you.
Where did she go now? She ran away.
6-7 is gonna kill you. So 6-7 before I go 6-7 in your bed tonight.